Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to set the perfect settings for OBS for screen recording. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your OBS. Okay, so let me just unhide my OBS because I'm currently using it for now for my recording. Let me just sort this. Okay, in a minute. Okay. So the moment you open your OBS, you can see here at the left upper left side of your screen, it has this different options. Okay. So in order to open settings, click File and go for Settings. After that, it has this different options that you can manually set or change. Okay, first we need to go for general. Okay, here in general, you can see here hide OBS windows from screen capture. You need to check this so that the OBS will not appear in your screen whenever you do recording or streaming, which is you need to unhide that because otherwise your OBS will appear in your records. Okay? After checking that, just click on apply then okay. Hmm? So next is appearance. Just leave it untouched here and go for output. Okay, here in output, make sure that the video encoder is software times 264. Okay, then scroll down and here under the recording path, you can browse for the locations. Where do you like your videos to save to? Okay. Once you click on Browse, you will be redirected to your file manager and simply choose the locations where do you want your videos to be saved. Okay? So next is recording format. Here, make sure that the default is MPEG-4. Okay? And the rest, leave it untouched and apply and okay. Mhm. Next is audio. Here, you need to make sure that the microphone or headphone that you are using is in default. In my case, I am using this DGM20, so it is in default, and might as well in mic auxiliary audio, it is in default also, the mic that you are using. And after that, leave the rest untouched and go for apply and OK. Next is video. Here, in order to have the good quality video, make sure that the base canvas resolution it is in 1920 times 180 default and might as well here in the output it is in 1920 times 180 default. Then click on apply and OK. Here also in the hot case, leave it untouched and here in advanced, make sure that the process priority is either high or above normal. Okay? Just try the two of that, which works best for you. Okay? In my case, above normal works for me best. Okay? Then leave the rest untouched and go for apply and okay. After that, you can close this and you can start recording. Just okay. Once you're done, once you start recording, you just have to stop it once you're done streaming or recording, and you're good to go. Okay. So that is the perfect settings of OBS for a smoother recording experience. Hopefully, you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, as well as hit the bell icon to be updated for more video tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.